Continuing with the 58741 boards from ESU, the quote Kato USA boards. There's some air quotes for you. I have one installed here in a FEF3. For the longest time, what I was doing before this board came out that fits nicely in there, I was installing a full size either V5 or then before that Select and putting a speaker back here or a double speaker. Now, because all this space is free, I've got a double sugar cube set up here, and then onto this board I soldered a blue and a yellow light for the rear light, which will go in the tender. You can see I've already got that there. It's just over here to test it. But without further ado, I still have to function map the lighting, but so we will hit go. So we got forward headlight and got the rear headlight, which is the surface mount light over here, which I'm going to turn that off. This is actually auxiliary 2 in the outputs, and now we'll turn the rear headlight off and refunction map that. And we got the bells going over there, and that's just a LED cut off of a scrap or unsoldered from a scrap light board I had sitting around. I'll turn that bell off. But, so yeah, like I said, I'll disable the rear light, and then I'll enable that so it acts as the rear light, and then we will just, you know, shuffle away, I suppose. Anyways, that's all I really got. Have a fantastic day.